Guys, welcome to Telephone Money. In today's video, we are going to install the Spigen EZ glass for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this is Samsung exclusive jade green color. So this comes with two pieces. So let's start off from the unboxing. Interested in the ESR tempered screen glass screen protector, which comes with 3 of the screen guards and an affordable price if you compare to the Spigen. So do let me know in the comment section. I will do a screen guard installation of the ESR as well and give the review as well. So in the description regarding this purchase link of the glass EZ Fit, the normal clear one and also the privacy one if you're interested in this privacy glass. And I will give a review after using it for a week or something like that. So stay tuned. Okay, so that's it, the box. So we do get 2 of them. So, and let's see what else are we getting. Let's keep it aside, these 2 of the screen protectors, and then we have an installation guide with the exact how to do with the steps written 1 2 3 4 5 6 and all. And then we have this type of fixing tool. Okay, and then I think this is the wet wipes and dry wipes. Yeah. So, and we have a microfiber cleaning cloth as well, dust removal stickers. So everything we are getting 2 of them. So cleaning wipe, everything. So let's start off from the installation. I keep 1 screen protector over here, 1 cleaning kit, 1 dust removal sticker, and just tool is only 1, and the microfiber cloth is 1. First of all, just take this tool, but actually tool along with this an installation pad as well, so I'll show you. So just remove the tool and you can see this acts as an installation pad. So let me take out the Galaxy S25 Ultra and yes, put it like this. You can see over here it gives a firm grip on the floor. And let me remove the stickers. Okay, we need to take this. So you can see the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the jade green color. So I had to pick between this jade green and the titanium jet black color, so I picked the jade green. Anyways, so this is how it looks. Let me remove the stickers as well. So keeping the installation pad, then the phone, and first we're going to take this cleaning wipe, and it's actually a big one. Wow. Okay, and just gonna clean this entirely. One thing you make sure, so if you have been already using it for days without a screen protector, make sure this edges does not have any of them. So make sure you clean the edges, so with a like this, and just change the area, and again on the left side change the area, and again on the top as well as on the bottom, and just look. So this is a wet wipe, and then we need to clean it with the microfiber cloth, and now it's completely clean. Okay, make sure you cover the edges all the time. Okay, now I need to check in different angles. Is there any minor dust particles? So I could see approximately if any dust particles on this corners or something like that. Then so the dust removal sticker, so you could make use of this big one if there is completely. So, and with this, so, and after that just place it in the exact same area, because this could be again useful after some time. So this is placed, and now to take the small one, actually we need to clean the corners. That's where high chances of bubbles are there. So just place it like this, and the corners, especially this areas, just this area we could get maximum number of bubbles and all. So make sure that it is completely clean, and always don't touch the screen while you do this. Okay, I could see a minor dust in this location, I think. Yeah. Okay, now seems fine, and again I'm gonna place it in the exact same location. You could see a minor dust again over here, so again gonna take this. Okay, now seems perfect. Now you need to do, once again you need to have a cross check with this type of looking all the sides, and if still seems, I think it's perfect, no sort of issues. Okay, now okay, let me, okay, and now the final step. So we do have this thing, so we need to remove, there is a back film over, you can see back film. So first of all, just remove this. Okay, and then check which is the top area. So you can see this is the top, and you can it's indicate top, so just place exactly. So now you can see, and now just gonna press and slide. Okay, and wait for just 30 seconds. But just check that this is completely within. You can see, now you can see this is completely inside, and this, so you can see all the corners are perfectly fit. Then only after that cross checking you need to do this press and slide. Okay, so don't do this, the thing I have just done, don't do this. So it's approximately, let's wait for 30 seconds. Okay, this, and just do this peel off, just take, and ooh, you can see. So it's a warning is written, after installing the screen protector you must register your fingerprint. So this do supports the ultrasonic and all. So now you can just, oh, perfect, no sort of issues. You can see, I'll just show you entirely. And if any bubbles, you can see obviously there could be chances of bubbles, and the next thing you need to do is take this tool, and if you see a bubble over here, just with this tool you can just do like this and make the bubble disappear, and all the sides. Okay, so you can see no sort of issues, it's done perfectly. You can screen, you can just make the best exit way. So if it's bubble is here, just to this location. If bubble is over here, then just to this location. So just take it to the adjacent side. Perfect. So, and you can see the edges, it's also perfect. That means you can fit the screen guards very well. Okay, now let's check the touch sensitivity after installing the Spigen's EZ Fit screen guard. So let's see. Ooh, stunning. Check with the touch sensitivity. So I have set a complex pattern. So, oof, no sort of issues, you can see. And okay, so it's perfect. Now let's check the fingerprint scanner settings, all the up to security and privacy, lock screen, and drawing my pattern, and fingerprints, add fingerprints, register. Okay, see, works perfectly. Okay, while you raise the fingerprint, I will give you a tip. Always just pick up the phone just with one hand. This is the normal thing we use, and just register it like that. So always do like this. So whenever you just pick up the phone, automatically the area where your hand raises, and just add it. And the same way you can just add the left hand as well. You can see I'm just gonna pick up the phone with this hand, and automatically my hand would be in this location. So in accordance with that, so just place your phone, pick up the phone, and where the screen comes, where the hand comes, you can just raise it like that. Yeah, it's done. Now let me lock the phone. You can see 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, and go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, on the left hand, 3, 2, 1 without even opening. You can go again. Oh, so that's a perfect from the EZ Fit screen guard from the Spigen. So this is an yes from me.